Welcome to the Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Electactic. Both promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy ice maker stands out at just $59.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy homemade ice. In contrast, the Electactic ice maker is priced at $89.99, which may be a consideration for buyers looking for additional features or brand trust. Let's see if the price difference reflects in their performance. Both machines are capable of producing ice quickly, with both offering 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. However, the Sweetcrispy has a slight edge with a production capacity of 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, compared to the Electactic's 26 pounds. This could make a difference for those who frequently entertain or need ice on demand. Both ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning functions, making maintenance a breeze. The Sweetcrispy features a simple operation with indicator lights, while the Electactic boasts an easy-to-use control panel. Both are designed for portability, allowing you to move them around your kitchen or take them to gatherings effortlessly. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Electactic ice makers offer excellent features for home use. If you're looking for a more affordable option with slightly better ice production, the Sweetcrispy may be the way to go. However, if you prefer a machine with a user-friendly control panel and are willing to pay a bit more, the Electactic could be your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.